kitchen order note app helps user to quickly add notes or special instructions to the specific order item, ensuring that the customer orders are prepared exactly as requested. User can add the kitchen order note for the default products and add a note for the specific products as well. User can view added kitchen order note in the point of sale receipt and order in the backend also. So let's complete the configuration part first. For that, let me get into the settings. Under point of sale, user have to enable the shortcut note and add the default kitchen order note to apply for all the products. So from here we need to add an extra notes for each and every product. It will be applied for each and every product, and also if needed you can create a new shortcut note from here itself. So once this is done, let me save this one and let me get into the products. So for product we need to get into the inventory. In inventory we can see the products list. From here let me get into one of the products. And in the product page under and sales tab we can see user can add the kitchen order note for that specific products. For each and every specific product we can add and notes as well. Okay. So once this configuration is done, let me get into the point of sale now. Let's open a new session. Okay. User can add a shortcut note for each and every specific product in the point of sale. So I have added for this specific product I have added a 3 short note. So from here we can choose any one variant. Okay, for this burger I am going to choose an spice and extra cheese. So there is a 2 options. There is one is in confirm and also another one is in cancel. So if you need to confirm the order, you can just click on the confirm, or else in the case if you need to cancel it, you can just make use of the cancel option to cancel it. Okay. So let's confirm this order and I will choose a random one. So from here you can see these order that is user can add the shortcut notes for all the default products in the point of sale. So let me add a ketchup in this for this particular product. Yeah, from here that is added kitchen order notes for the product in the cart. Now let me process the payment. Okay. From here we need to choose the payment method and click on the validate. So in the kitchen order note in the point of sale receipt can see an order note for each and every products. Okay, and then we can see the same thing in the back end as well. So let me get into the point of sale, and from here we can see the orders. Okay, so let me get into the one of the order which we have created. Yes, so from here you can see the notes, that is kitchen order notes in the point of sale order is also available in the back end. So in this way we can make use of this module to get an order note in the point of sale screen.